Are you ready to take your date nights to the next level? Cooking classes offer a unique and engaging way to connect with your partner. Here are 5 exciting ways to bond through culinary experiences. First, choose a class that matches your interests, whether it's Italian cuisine or sushi making. This shared passion sets the stage for a memorable experience. Second, embrace teamwork in the kitchen. Collaborating on a dish helps foster communication and strengthens your connection. Third, add a dash of fun by trying something completely new. Stepping out of your comfort zone together can ignite laughter and create lasting memories. Fourth, engage in some friendly competition. If the class allows for it, challenge each other to see who can create the best dish. This playful rivalry can spark chemistry and excitement. Finally, savor your creations together. Enjoying the meal you cooked side by side allows for intimate conversation and connection. Cooking classes are not just about food, they're a recipe for romance. So grab your aprons and get cooking, because love is best served warm.